Photoshop here again today, Photoshop Fun with Matt. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to do a picture of that car and it's going to be in my hand. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to copy this photo and we're going to paste it straight into my hand. And the best way to do this is just to copy that, select and copy and then paste it. Obviously it's going to be a small photo because it's a different size. So it's something more or less like realistic, nothing too, like you don't want something in the car that's going to be, you know, lifelike size and all that type of stuff. That's not going to work. Okay, so now we're just going to go around the background here very quickly. I'm going to use the magnetic one. I'm going to use this one. Click there, and automatically magnetic is what it does. It actually goes around the contours for you. Now I've got a bit of an issue here with this one, it's not doing it properly. Okay, we're going to go back. So we're going to start again. Let's go to the lasso tool as well. Let's go back to the lasso tool itself and just do it. That's alright, that's no problem, you get the idea. You go around like this, go right around the whole entire image. So I'll just hurry up this process and fast forward it for you. Okay, now we're back. Now what we're going to be doing, the colours seem to be okay at this stage. I mean around here and all that, it's a bit, you know, too far forward, too fast, too far-fetched, too much, too crystal clear. You're going to get the background image here. I'll just do that. I'm going to copy the thumb area. So I'll just copy the thumb and palm of my hand there, copy that, go back to the image of the car and paste. So now you get the idea of what's going on here. Same thing again, it's going to go around this. Actually, we should be able to go select subject here and it'll select everything else except for my thumb. Yeah, good. Copy that and paste it. That's a lot easier that way. To go the old way around. Go around with the selection tool, selecting. So just going to match up the hand position first. Make sure we get that in the right spot. Now, if you've got an issue with this, like see, it's not matching up properly. Just take the opacity down so it's transparent. Then you can actually just match it into position. And if you're delicate with the mouse, just use the arrow buttons. Go back to 100%. Okay, there we have it. Now get the eraser tool and we're just going to rotate, hold the R key down and then rotate, move the cursor around. Now I'm just going to go around my thumb area here so you can actually see the car. So I'm just going to get rid of all this area around my thumb. Okay, the R key, turn left. Zoom out, and that's basically how you do it. But now what we're going to do, we're going to get the car image and we're going to change the contrast because it's a bit not too much for a sunny day there. We might blur that a bit more. Okay, now tricks. We've got some little shadows that we're going to top of the car, you need another layer. Paintbrush, make sure you got black. Pick a nice thick size. And then just follow around where your thumb would be on the shadow. Now, that's a little bit too much. Like that, that's good. Right. Change the opacity, bring it down. Don't want it too black. We're going to blur. We're going to blur more. It's supposed to blur a lot more. Goes to blur. It's too much. Down to bounce it there. Good. Now on top of my hands, the first one down the bottom here, we're going to do another layer on top of that. We're going to do the same thing again with the shadow. Now what's happened here? You've probably seen that as well as me. You go around with the finger all inside here. Do that as well. What we're going to do, we're going to take the hand right, the shadow. Okay, with the shadow one, take the opacity down. Filter, progression, blur, and maybe take the opacity back up a little bit more because it's darker. Now underneath it, I'm going to get the eraser tool, and we're just going to erase the leftover shadow off the ground. Now, a bit more time consuming. If you had a bit more time, you'd be going right into the intricate details and getting into all this sharpness stuff, all these bits and pieces, and eliminate them. We're not going to do it here because we're just doing a tutorial how to do it. So basically, that looks quite real. And with the car itself, just going to blur it a little bit more. I'm not going to go that far, probably to about there. That looks realistic. That looks very realistic. Just going to change some more exposures and stuff like this. That's how that looks better. Color correction. Yeah, I think that should do it. So yeah, guys, how to Photoshop a car in your hand.